Hello guys, I am back with a new topic. Today in this video I will show you how to use if else in assembly language. Basically if else in assembly language works on different operands like jump greater and jump not equal and so on. Today we will use jump greater and jump less to find the greater number and to find the lesser number, that is the number will be given in our program while executing. So let's begin our video. First of all, I am displaying a message, enter first number on screen. If you don't know how to display a string on screen, then you can follow my previous videos. These videos link will be available in the description. And if you don't know how to do the linker setting of your Visual Studio, the video link will also available in the description. So let's begin. First of all, I will display two messages. The first message is enter first number and the second message is enter second number. And now I will display the greater number is. That is the greater number is will be used when the program will find the greater number, and this message is displayed on screen. And after that, I will declare an variables that will be used to store the number that we will get input from the user. And a variable 1 is not necessary, here variable 1 is not necessary as such. You can use it in your program or you can discard it. So let's begin. First of all, display the message. Welcome in this video. I will display message on screen. You can use this to practice the string display on screen. And after that, I will display a message enter first number on screen, and then I will get input from user. So let's watch how I will display a message on screen. These two statements are used to display a message on screen. And now I will get input from a user, that is called readInt, and I will store this input into a variable for later use. That is, you can see move variable comma ex. It will move the value of ex into variable. And now I will display the second message, that is enter second number on screen, and after that I will take second number input from the user. Each time you will use call readInt to get input from user. You can store second number into variable, as I said in my video that you can use variable 1 or not. This is depending upon you. If you want to use the second input value for further in our program, then you can store it into a variable that will be necessary for you. And if you don't want to use it in your program, then you can then you don't need to store it in any variable. And after that, I will use a compare statement, that is the keyword here, CMP. The CMP is the operand of assembly language. CMP ex comma variable. Basically here second number is compared by the first number, and now I will use jump greater and jump less than equal. So basically greater is the tag that will be called when the number is greater, and here I will display move edx comma offset my message 3 in which I have stored greater number is. And after that exit is necessary for every pointer that you will use, and every pointer or tag that you will use in your assembly language. And after that, I am writing a code for less. So I am not writing the code for less because I have not initialized any message of less in my program. So let's begin first whether the number is working for greater or not. So let's build it, and after that start debugging. It will take a little bit time depending upon your computer processing. As you can see, the console window is displayed and you can see in on screen. Here you can see the both messages are displayed together, and now I am entering first number and then second number. As you can see, the greater number is working. That is mean the greater tag is working in our program, and now separate the first message and the second message. So here I will use call crlf to separate it, and now build it again. And enter first number again, after that second number. As you can see, it will always check for the second number whether it is greater or not. So let's check it for the less. If it is less, then it will have to display on screen that the number is less. So here I will use I will use jump less to display that second number is less than first. So to perform the display of lesser number on screen, here I have to display a message, type a message that is the lesser number is, that is here I am typing message number is less, and it will be displayed on screen if the second number is lesser. So here we have to use the lesser tag, that is JL jump below, and jump less or jump below. You can use JL or JB both, and after that the less is our tag, and I am displaying the message. And exit is necessary after the end of the every tag. And now build it again. After building it, start debugging, and you can see on screen I am entering the first number is greater and the second number is lesser, and the message is displayed number is less. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. Hope you like my video.